Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the realm of automotive innovation with a groundbreaking revelation. The world's first Apple cars hitting the streets in 2025. That's right, folks. After years of speculation and anticipation, Apple has finally unveiled its venture into the automotive industry, and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. So what makes these cars so special? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, the design. Just like Apple's other products, the Apple car boasts a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that's sure to turn heads on the road. But it's not just about looks. The Apple car is packed with state-of-the-art technology that redefines the driving experience. From advanced autonomous driving capabilities to seamless integration with your Apple ecosystem, this car is truly a game-changer. And let's not forget about performance. With electric propulsion powering its wheels, the Apple car delivers a smooth, silent ride that's both eco-friendly and exhilarating. Of course, safety is always a top priority, and the Apple car is no exception. Equipped with a suite of advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithms, this car is designed to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road at all times. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Apple car is its potential to revolutionize the way we think about transportation. With its seamless connectivity and innovative features, this car represents a glimpse into the future of mobility. So, there you have it, folks. The world's first Apple cars are set to usher in a new era of automotive innovation in 2025 and beyond. Get ready to experience the future of driving like never before. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay tech-savvy.